Hello, yet another analysis. Alright, welcome back to Dean's crypto list. So, as you guys know, I'm basically gonna talk about, random crypto chart movements, and this time is a special request by my crypto millionaire buddy, Ken. So, Ken's a fan of Litecoin, which is something that we're going to talk about today. Litecoin, on first glance, Litecoin seems to be on a pretty ranging state, but Ken's rather bullish about this. So let's have a deeper look at this. So before we do this, let's remove any previous drawing. So I'm really intrigued by this because Ken is very bullish on this coin, and I don't know why. Honestly, as you can probably tell, my style is mostly about price action movement, aka chart movement. So what can the charts tell us, right? Let's see. So of course we'll start with the longest time frame first, as usual. Take a big picture look before we zoom in. Okay. So at least we still got higher lows. And we've got lower highs. Typical wedge formation. Anything else to look at? Let's zoom out. Seems to like to consolidate here. Does it mean anything? Nope. No patterns here, no real patterns here. Okay. Okay, interesting thing. Okay, so I'll talk about, I found something interesting, but let's talk about that later. So more importantly, right, I think for most people's, to answer most people's questions, is this coin investable? As you can see, oh wow, look, right at the trend line, check this out, right at the trend line, the price has already rejected and is on the rebound, right on the line. So there's, as you can see, as I've probably mentioned this before, right? Resistance, or what we call in this case, support lines, get stronger the more lines overlap. And currently there are two lines overlapping, one pivot line and one trend line. And this proves to be a good rejection point, and therefore the price has pivoted up, which gives a good indication on, well, for traders at least, whether to enter the trade or not. From one trend line to the other trend line is this. From the entry point to the stop loss point is this. I think it's pretty good. It's pretty safe. You risk 4% to earn 10%, roughly 10%. 2.23 risk reward ratio is pretty worth it, in my opinion, in my humble opinion. So for short-term traders, I think it's pretty okay. Hell, I might even go in. I don't know. Okay, so it's for short-term traders. Interesting. Let's take a look at the. Let's zoom in even more, right, into the 5-minute chart. Okay, you can see triple bottom. Down. Back up, retrace. Back up, retrace. Triple bottom. Price up. Breakthrough resistance. So it had to. The market had to break through this line, which it did. And now you see it's hovering above this line. It's sustaining, well, at least at this point of time, it's sustaining this trend line. Let me zoom right in so that we can see. Look, it's sustaining this line. And you can see there's 4 trend lines right here. 4 trend lines to overcome. So it's not likely that the price would go below this at this point of time, which is good for traders. So go in at this price, come out at this price, safe. Well, if you want to be even safer, even more short term, as you can see, here is a consolidation point. Right here is a consolidation point. You can take profit here. Set a stop loss here. What are the figures like? So risk reward ratio of 1.9, 5% upside, 4.6% upside. That's okay. It's a bit lame, but that's okay, I suppose. Might be worth going in here. If you're a leverage trader, that's worth it. Leverage up 10 times, 50 times. Suddenly becomes so much worth it. Over here, no, as you can see, right, it's actually a very strong consolidation point. Yeah, over here. Yeah, seems like this is a very straightforward chart. Very straightforward. Nothing much to take note of. Obviously, if it as we head towards the point of decision making, aka the intersection point over here, everyone should be more cautious. Try not to enter as we get closer, because we're running out of space. Because at this point of time, at this intersection point, it can either go up or go down really bad. It goes both ways, because bear in mind it's gone lower before. Yeah, so it can go as low as here. You see, this is so dangerous over here. Consolidation, rejection. What are we looking at in terms of damage? If you were to, in terms of risk, right? Let's see. From here. Okay. From this price down, we're looking at 30%. A 30% downside is crazy. Crazy. Right? Yeah. Avoid that. Can't say for sure, obviously, but well, can't say for sure which way it might happen, but you don't want to be the one experiencing it firsthand, do you? It's quite ironically, right, while this is a strong support in terms of downside, there is a chance it might reach all the way down to the pivot line. There's a reason why pivot lines are strong, as you can see. Right. Pivot lines are really quite scary things. So respect the pivot line. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward, really. We've got a couple of days before the decision point. 3 days also, around 3 days. So make your money while you can. Let it swing up and down, like whatever, right? Just hit and run some trades. Do not hold it for more than 2-3 days tops, and you should be fine. You should be fine. So that's it for my LTCUSDT analysis. If you found it valuable, do like and subscribe. If you have certain questions, feel free to drop in the comments. I'll try to get back to you. If you have some chart requests as well, just let me know, and I'll see what we can see if I can do for you. In the meantime, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.